What if you could create a complete 3D animated story using just one prompt? In this video, I'll show you how to generate an entire 3D animated movie from start to finish using 100% free and powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Whisk, Grok AI, and Meta AI. With just a single prompt, we'll generate the full story, character designs, scene descriptions, and animation prompts automatically. Then we'll create strictly consistent characters, generate colorful cinematic scenes, and finally turn those scenes into fully animated 3D videos, complete with perfect lip syncing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create high-quality 3D animated videos for YouTube, kids' stories, or AI movie content, even if you have no animation experience at all. So if you've ever wanted to create AI-powered 3D animations with minimal effort, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Before we jump in, if you're excited to learn this automated workflow, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future AI tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what kind of animated story are you going to create? Let's get started. Welcome! The first step is to generate our story. Just as I always do, I have prepared a prompt that I will use to generate this. You will give this single prompt to ChatGPT, though you can also use Gemini, Claude, or any text-based AI tool you prefer. We will use just this single prompt to generate everything. Let's go ahead and copy the entire prompt. Of course, I will leave it in the description or in the pinned comment for you to use. I will switch over to ChatGPT, though you can also use Arena.ai, but I am using ChatGPT for this tutorial. I will input the prompt here, hit Send, and ChatGPT will start generating our story. As you can see, the output is highly detailed, unlike our previous workflows. This prompt actually generates the design for the main character, who is the protagonist, as well as the design for the companion character. Scrolling down, we also have the visual descriptions. This outlines exactly what is supposed to happen in each scene, starting with Scene 1. It also provides the exact text-to-image prompts and image-to-video prompts that we will use to animate all the scenes. Next, we will go ahead and generate the most essential elements for this project, which are our characters. First, I will copy the prompt for our first character, which is the boy. After copying it, I will open Google Whisk. Simply sign in with your Google account and enter the tool. I will go ahead and paste my character prompt right here. You can also set your preferred aspect ratio in this section if needed. Then I will hit Send. Google Whisk will now generate the character for me. Let's see how it turns out. Here is what it generated, and I think I really like it. It looks fantastic. However, if you don't like the initial outcome, you can always regenerate the images as many times as you need to find the perfect match for your specific scene. Now, I will go back and copy the prompt for our companion character as well. I will swap out the previous text, paste the second prompt here, and hit Send to generate a few options to select from. The fox character is now done, and as you can see, it looks very pretty. Our main character is complete as well, and both look great. To begin creating our actual scenes, I need to make sure I add our generated images into the subject fields to maintain consistency. I will drag one of the boy's images and drop it right here. Now that it is added, I will add another subject slot for the fox, our companion character. I will look through the generated options, find the one I prefer, and input that here as well. Now that we have our reference images set, I will go back to ChatGPT to start generating the scenes. For Scene 1, I will copy the specific text-to-image prompt provided. I will come back to Google Whisk and paste the scene prompt here. To maintain character consistency, I will leave all of the subject reference boxes ticked. This ensures that wherever the characters appear in the prompt, the AI will automatically infuse the exact same character designs into the scene. Before generating, let me set the aspect ratio to 16:9, since this is for a long-form YouTube video. Once selected, I will hit Generate. Our first scene is now complete. As always, if you don't like the outcome, you can easily regenerate the images as many times as you need to find the perfect match for your specific scene. Next, I will go ahead and copy the prompt for the second scene. I will copy it, come back to Google Whisk, paste it in, and hit Send. The second scene is now done. As you can see, you always have the option to regenerate if needed. Following the same process, I will come back, copy the prompt for my third scene, replace the text in Google Whisk, and hit Send. Now, the third scene is also done. I specifically asked the AI to give me something vibrant and colorful, which is why you see so many bright colors in the output. Since this video is intended for kids, I want it to be very fun and visually engaging. Now, I will go behind the scenes and generate all the remaining scenes. After that, we will continue with the animation process. See you soon! Welcome back. I have now successfully generated all my scenes, and as you can see, they are incredibly colorful and detailed. Now that all the image assets are ready, we will go ahead and start animating them. To animate these scenes, we are going to use Grok AI, but you can also use Meta AI for this step. Some of you might mention that there is a usage cap on Grok AI. If you run out of credits while generating, you can simply switch over and generate the rest of your scenes in Meta AI. Let's try Meta AI first to see how it turns out. I will log in to meta.ai and then select Create Video, since I already have my generated images. First, I will upload my Scene 1 image. Once the image is uploaded, I need to input my text description for the animation. I will go back to ChatGPT, and under Scene 1, you will notice we used the text-to-image prompt earlier. Below that, we have the image-to-video prompt. This is the specific prompt we will use for the animation. I will copy that, paste it here into Meta AI, and hit Animate. Meta AI will start processing the image right away. As you can see, the image has been animated successfully. Check it out. Let's animate one more scene with Meta AI before we move over to our primary tool, Grok AI. I will go back to ChatGPT, navigate to Scene 2, and copy the prompt for the video animation. Returning to Meta AI, I will paste the prompt and hit Animate. The second scene is now done, though the AI actually got a little confused here. As you can see, the boy was already standing in the frame, but the AI generated him jumping into the shot again. Because of this error, you will only want to use the second half of this video, cropping it from this point all the way to the end while discarding the beginning. Now, let's switch back to our main animation tool, which is Grok AI. Once you're on the Grok AI website, go to Settings, click on Behavior, and ensure that the Automatic Video Generation setting is toggled off. By default, this is automatically toggled on, so please make sure you manually turn it off. Next, navigate to the Imagine tab, where the magic happens. We will start by uploading our first scene, just as we did previously. I will input the image-to-video prompt for the first scene and hit Send. Grok AI will now start animating our character. I actually like this result much better. It looks fantastic. Now, let's move on and animate the second scene. If you look closely at the script for this scene, you'll notice it includes character dialogue. Grok AI can handle this, so I will copy the animation instructions along with the dialogue text. I will take this copied text, switch back to Grok AI, insert it into the prompt box, and hit send to see how it turns out. The animation is complete, and I absolutely love the lip syncing. Let's check it out.
You're looking for the color, aren't you?
You can talk.
Of course, I guard the prism path.
That is truly amazing. Now I will go ahead and animate the third scene. I will go back to the story script, copy the prompt, which once again involves dialogue and camera movement instructions, and paste it into Grok AI. I will hit send. The third scene is finished, so let's check it out.
The living color is hidden beyond 3 trials.
Trials? Kindness, courage, and heart.
That looks excellent. Just like before, I'm going to animate all the remaining scenes behind the scenes. I'll be right back, and we will move on to the final step of the tutorial. Welcome back. I now have all my scenes fully animated, as you can see here. The final step is to stitch them all together using CapCut, though you can also use any video editing tool you prefer. I will go ahead and open CapCut, import your generated videos, and drag them onto your timeline in chronological order, starting from the first scene and moving sequentially to the end. To make the video flow nicely, you'll need to add transitions between the clips so that everything blends smoothly. Browse through the transitions and find the perfect one that matches the style of your project. For this, I really like the mix transition right here. I will add it to the timeline and adjust the duration slightly. Let's play it back and see how it looks. It plays well, but I think I need to make the transition a bit longer. To save time during the editing process, I will simply click Apply to All so the transition is placed between every single clip. After your video clips are arranged, your next step is to add background music and sound effects here and there to bring the scenes to life. Once you are completely finished, simply save and export your final video. I'm not going to do a deep dive into advanced sound editing today because I already have a dedicated video on this channel detailing how to edit videos, which you can check out. I also have another video explaining how to use a Grok automation extension, so be sure to check that out as well. And that is exactly how you generate complete 3D animations with just one prompt using ChatGPT, Google Whisk, Grok AI, and Meta AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Where did all the colors go? Maybe that way.
You're looking for the color, aren't you?
You can talk.
Of course, I guard the prism path.
The living color is hidden beyond 3 trials.
Trials? Kindness, courage, and heart.
First trial passed. This is terrifying. Courage doesn't mean no fear.
Why seek color?
To bring it back to everyone.
That's the heart trial.
Whoa, you made it.
It chose you. It worked! Kindness brings color.
Guess the world needed kindness.
Kindness is the brightest color of all.